Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and over here in Los Angeles, California, our service center has started off 2025 with another one-of-a-kind Cybertruck that you've probably never seen before, and we definitely have not done. Let's go into what we did over here, which is very special and very unique. Two-tone was the theme, right? This customer wanted to go ahead and have an extra unique look, and the Cybertruck is probably the #1 vehicle in the world that lends itself best to a two-tone colorway scheme. So this customer chose to go ahead and wrap the upper zone using TMaxx color change PPF with gloss Lunar silver on this upper zone area. As you could see, we did the body line up to the roof line. The side mirror caps, though, needed to be painted to match. You can't properly wrap these. And then in the lower body line section, once again using TMaxx color change PPF film, this customer chose to go with metallic electric blue. Blue and silver is a classic combination. It's sporty, it's classy, and it's never been done before on a Cybertruck. I absolutely love it. Now let's go into the wheels. He wanted to change the wheels, but his first requisite was to go ahead and keep the 20-inch tires that came with his Cybertruck. But he could not stand the wheels or the aero covers. And quite frankly, I don't blame him. I mean, with such a beautiful wrap, you cannot go ahead and have the factory aero covers to complete the overall appearance. So he chose our 20-inch CTM wheels. These are fully forged wheels, and they are finished in brushed silver. Very cool, right? Ties in with the Lunar silver upper zone. But what makes this Cybertruck even more special than just doing a two-tone is that my team went the extra mile by meticulously preparing, sanding down, color matching, and painting the front bumper, the wheel arches, the side skirt rocker panels, the rear arches, and the big rear bumper to perfectly match the electric blue of the PPF film. This truck is gorgeous and really stands out and truly is one of a kind. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, we have so many more amazing videos coming your way. All you need to do is subscribe to our channel.